On your journey towards digital transformation, your destination seems far away, and you're not sure which path is best. A lot of challenges can arise on your way to the Internet of Things. To meet your goals, ITK Engineering develops the right strategy and supports you in analyzing areas of potential growth from a more elevated perspective. Custom-designed algorithms improve efficiency and help to transform your IoT vision into reality. ITK experts in organizational development will foster your workforce's adaptivity and understanding of new technologies. By transforming big data into useful knowledge, and due to our cognitive solutions, you can make ideal decisions. ITK develops and implements comprehensive safety and security concepts to protect you from unpleasant surprises. Based on our considerable expertise in many sectors, we connect different technological components and integrate existing solutions to an overall system. All in all, ITK is your perfect partner, the partner you can rely on. Start benefiting from our tailor-made solutions for your digital transformation. ITK Engineering, your compass for the IoT world.